Hello people, I'm here again, share some ideas with you. Today gonna talk about improvement. Your life will have a lot of steps, transitions, and you have to be aware of your state. Try to be aware of your progress every day. Try to be grateful. Try to follow any progress that you have done to achieve your dreams, toward your goals, and make a clear vision in your mind about what you want, about what you really want. Mix it with positive feelings and take action. You have to challenge yourself because that is the challenge that's gonna make you better and better, getting better and better every day in some way. So get out of your comfort zone and try to do your best. Failure is some kind of learning, nothing more than it. Try to be aware of it. So I hope that it can be helpful for you. And until next time, thank you for watching.